Welcome to another exclusive offering from the Frank Roberts Land Team's Ranch Collection. This incredible 365-acre ranch is located just north of Paris, Texas, near the Red River. The ranch consists of highly improved pastures and is one of the finest examples of ranch properties that I have seen. The lush Bermuda pastures provide very productive grazing for livestock and hay production. The scattered mature hardwood trees add to the beauty of this property. The 15-acre lake is ideal for recreation, fishing, hunting waterfowl, and for livestock. The property has plenty of improvements, including this custom southwestern-style home and a 40 by 100 workshop and equipment shed. The cattle facilities are state-of-the-art with covered working pens. The custom home is 3,470 square feet. This charming and unique 5-bedroom, 3-bath home was built in the tradition of Santa Fe with the use of timbers and stucco. Throughout the home are wood ceilings with shaved wood timbers, creating a ponderosa look to the magnificent property. The dining room is large, capable of seating a large group of people. The kitchen is spacious, has an abundance of custom cabinets, granite countertops, a large island with 2 sets of sinks. The double ovens make preparation of that special meal a breeze. The custom appliances are a retro design and add to the quality appearance of the home. There are 3 Santa Fe-style fireplaces in the home, one of which is in the kitchen area. Adjacent to the kitchen is another large dining area, currently being used as an office. There are 3 bedrooms on this side of the home. One very spacious room is the mother-in-law suite, which could also be used as an office. There are 2 other bedrooms and bathroom in close proximity to the kitchen and dining area. The living room is huge, ideal for entertaining, and features another fireplace as the focal point of the room. Large windows in the living room area provide panoramic views of the 15-acre lake and the beautiful ranch. The 4th guest bedroom is next to the master suite, is large enough for 2 queen-size beds, and has its own bathroom. The master suite is huge, with fireplace and double doors to the patio. The master bath has 2 vanities, large walk-in closet, and nice large shower with all of the latest features. The covered back porch is large and ideal for entertaining, with panoramic views of the ranch. The ranch has great amenities to support the livestock operation. The cattle pens are set up to easily move livestock into the working pens, which are covered and state-of-the-art to minimize stress on the cattle and simplify operations. All of the fencing and cross-fencing are pipe, including pens. The workshop and equipment shed is 100 by 40, has 4 bays for parking and repairing equipment, and 1 enclosed bay for secure storage. All fencing is pipe. No expense has been spared in the construction. The driveway to the main home is also fenced away from livestock. On the front of the property along FM 906 is the horse facilities, including 12-stall barn, office, and bathroom. New modular stalls can easily be installed. The show barn does have air conditioning. There is a nice round pen and covered arena 60 by 100 with 2 20 by 100 lean-tos for stalls or equipment. There is a double-wide mobile home purchased new in 2015 for a ranch hand or tenant house. This is a magnificent property, equipped for the discriminating investor. The 15-acre lake is stocked with fish, is a great habitat for waterfowl, and an incredible asset for this ranch. There is water in every pasture for livestock. Thank you for viewing another exclusive offering from the Frank Roberts Land Team Ranch Collection.